Next one is area of composite figures. Area of composite figures. These type of figures are called composite figures. While we are finding the area of these type of figures, we have to divide the figure into rectangles and squares. We have to divide the figure into rectangles and squares. Now we are drawing this figure again here. So it is the figure. So we have to divide this into rectangles and square. Where we have to join dotted lines we draw, we can divide this one. So if we draw here one dotted line, it makes one rectangle. Yes, we call it as A. Again, when we draw here one more dotted line, again it is divided into here one rectangle, here one rectangle. So it is rectangle B, it is rectangle C. Okay, the given figure we divided into three rectangles. The given composite figure we divided into three rectangles. So here already measurements given. This is 3 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, and here it is 2 centimeter. Here it is 2 centimeter. From here to here it is 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and it is 3 centimeter. So now we have to find each rectangle area. Each rectangle area we have to find, and we have to find the sum of these three. Then we will get the area of this composite figure. So these figures are called composite figures. While we are finding the area of these figures, we are dividing them into rectangles and squares. But here only possible to divide as a rectangles. Now we have to find each figure area, and we have to add sum of the three figures. Then we will get the area of this figure. So first area of rectangle A. Area of rectangle A. Area of rectangle A. Okay, here area of rectangle A time length is equal to, this is called length of the rectangle, this is called breadth. Here 2 centimeters means here also 2 centimeters. So area of rectangle A is equal to length into breadth. So length into breadth 3 centimeter into 2 centimeter. 3 centimeter into 2 centimeter. So 3 2s are 6 centimeter into centimeter square centimeter. Now we find area of rectangle A. Next, area of rectangle B. Next we have to find the area of rectangle B. Area of rectangle B. So to find the area of rectangle B, we have to know length and breadth. So this is called length. It is 2 centimeters. It is 2 centimeters. We don't know this one how many. But the length of this line is totally how much it is? It is 3 centimeters. From here to here it is 2 centimeters means here it is how much? Yes, it is 1 centimeter. It is 1 centimeter. So area of rectangle B, if it is 1 centimeter means it is also 1 centimeter. So area of rectangle B length into breadth. So 2 centimeter length is equal to 2 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 1 centimeter. 2 centimeter into 1 centimeter. 2 ones are 2 square centimeters. 2 square centimeter. Next we have to find area of rectangle C. Area of rectangle C. Area of rectangle C. In this, length is 3 centimeter, breadth is 2 centimeter. So area of rectangle C, length 3 centimeter into breadth 2 centimeter. So 3 2s are 6 centimeter into centimeter, square centimeter. So we divide the figure into 3 rectangles. We find the area of the 3 rectangles. Now we have to find the area of the figure. Area of the figure. Area of the figure is equal to first area of A. Area of A plus area of B plus area of C. Area of C. So area of A, how much we get? 6 square centimeter plus area of B 2 square centimeters plus area of C 6 square centimeters. Now add these three. 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 6 14. 14 square centimeters. This is the area of the figure. So these figures are called composite figures. While we are finding the area of the composite figures, we have to divide them into rectangles and squares. What figures are possible? That like that we have to divide. All squares possible, we can divide into squares. All rectangles possible, all rectangles. Some figures, they form rectangles and squares. So after that we have to find each one area. Next, sum of the areas of the figure we have to find. So this is about area of composite figures.